Okay, so today I wanted to introduce my tiny YouTube channel to my sister. This is Kayla. We have been having so much fun up here in Crescent City, so we just wanted to talk a little bit about the fun things that we've been doing together.
Yeah, nice.
We've had so much fun playing with their cats.
Yeah.
Prozac is this little teenager of a cat that has so many behavioral problems, and he's so cute. But anyways, we've had so much fun just running around the living room and playing with Prozac.
He's like a mixture between a cat, a kid, and a dog, honestly.
Yeah.
Thanks for the massage.
And then their other cat, Zoloft, is just this like princess.
She's a queen.
She's a queen.
Yeah.
And then Gwomps. Gwomps is so cute.
He's an old fat guy, and he's really sweet, but
Anyways, enough about the cat. Okay, so the first day we were here, we went to Winchuck Creek to North Beach.
It's like a river and an ocean. Who would have thought? It is a river and an ocean.
There was just this rock fixture with kind of like a tunnel you could walk through.
How cool.
Bye. We're wading in the water.
Wow. That looks filled up when a wave comes in. Yeah, look at that.
Anyways, to get there, the trail, we got there and right away the trail is covered by a lagoon.
I guess it's a lagoon.
And I was like, hey Kayla, wanna walk through the lagoon?
Yeah.
So we just walked through the lagoon.
It's cold
no
though.
biggie.
We love lagoons, we said. We live for lagoons.
Okay, so then we went to the Oregon Redwood Trail the next day. The trees were beautiful.
Wow, that tree, you standing next to it,
Oh yeah, this one?
it gives it more of a context.
That's a big one.
Yeah, it's pretty large. How cute. Where does this go? You can go inside. Hey, I want to like climb it. It looks like it's been burnt out.
What I really want to talk about though is our bonfire.
Oh, that was fun.
We got there, it was super windy, so we had to make kind of like a structure to protect the grill. We had the most delicious shish kebabs with veggie meat and veggies, and Sterling has a grill that we took to the beach.
Can you put them all here in the middle? So we can serve ourselves?
Okay,
It was fun.
so if you guys are in this area, the #1 place that I recommend going, and this is the Brookings, Oregon, or Crescent City, California area, there is this place called Indian Sands, and we've gone twice this week because it is just so cool.
Isn't that just crazy? Shoot me! Wow, this is intense. We're on the edge of the world. I'm going as far as you went, sister friend. There it is. The raging waves.
Okay, so the first part of the trail, you're going through these beautiful random trees that look like you're in Narnia. And then after that, you just start going down this trail. Don't get lost.
There's a lot of
definitely
trails.
got lost at the first part. But I mean, even if you get lost, you know, you'll be fine. But we were like in the middle of nowhere. And so we finally got back to the trail, and this trail just walks along this tiny little path.
On the
side
of the mountain.
And the ocean is on one side, and it goes through these like little canopies of trees.
It almost like has like a Hawaii vibe.
It does.
Wherever you are.
more. We got the pro in her natural habitato. Whoa, that was a pro move. Only pros do that.
So you're walking along the ocean and you just, you're seeing the beautiful rocks, the beautiful waves, the sun, and you're up on the hill, and then you turn a corner at the end and there's all these sand dunes.
Wow.
Whoa, I feel like there's literally gonna be a cliff here. Yeah. Wow, how it's cool.
This is so cool.
Amazing.
Can you guys get a video of me? Caleb, just video
Up on the side of the hill. So half of it is sand dunes, half of it is just like rocks overlooking a
Like
beautiful
cliffs
like
and-
pool of churning water.
Wow. Incredible. Wow. We should kayak into
Wow,
this
look
cove. We should
at-
get some kayaks
Babes, that's scary
and
though.
come into here. It's
Look
really
at
not-
that cave.
Yeah. We're over the side. Can I take a video with it?
Wheelchair. Hi, babe.
Hey.
And oh boy. Oh boy, that's where the chair could go to.
The
And
water's
so-
blue.
Yeah, I have a slight fear of heights, so I was kind of like freaking out because Sterling is like this mountain goat.
It's the meadow. It's the mountain goat. What is it like?
180 degree view of the ocean.
There they are. Just with no regard for their lives.
So these sand dunes, you can like slide down those sand dunes and play in the sand, and then
Yeah, it's really awesome. It feels like you're in an epic like desert, but then
Yeah.
you go over the cliff and there's like ocean and like just rock formations, and it's beautiful. And we kind of went crazy.
Come closer.
Coming closer.
Coming closer.
Wow, this looks so crazy.
2, 3.
There she goes.
You need a piece of cardboard.
Wow, how amazing. I cannot.
What?
I cannot.
Well, we actually didn't have enough time to explore fully, and then when we went back, it was raining.
All right, come into the frame, Heidi.
Just 1 second. I'm tying my shoe.
The woman herself. Different feel today. More of like a wintry Pacific Northwest feel. Less of a Hawaii feel. But it's still super epic. It's so pretty.
we also went to a lighthouse called Crescent City Lighthouse, and it is such a cool lighthouse because it is still functioning. People still live there, and it is a manned lighthouse. But unfortunately, due to the situation of the world right now, they are not letting people actually go do tours there. But when it's low tide, you can still walk across to the lighthouse. In high tide, you can't. It's on an island. But during low tide, you can walk across. It was so cool.
Yeah, it
We
was
found the most beautiful succulent plants.
Just like the whole side of the hill was just like these purple succulents.
It's the Battery Point Lighthouse. What a beautiful view.
Look, it's clear.
Look at these little plants.
See our shadows.
Nice. Not quite sure what this is. Oh, I think they're all buoys. They're all little buoys.
So then one of my friends who actually grew up here told us about a place called Point St. George. And that was a very beautiful place too. Also beautiful succulent plants. I think it used to be a historic site at some point,
Yeah.
but we had a lot of fun.
Very rugged, very cliffy, like, and then also just like grasslandy also.
I think we found where we're supposed to be. This is beautiful. Look at this place.
So we've actually explored a lot while we've been here.
Yeah.
It's been really fun. And I hope that I get to come back soon. But until then, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, bye.
Bye.